The OnePlus Nord 3 is on the way to the European market except for Germany. As you know, BBK has got a ban in Germany. The Oppo's left, Vivo's leaving, and even OnePlus is banned over there because of the patent issue with Nokia. So it's coming to the rest of Europe. The phone is expected to be announced very soon. It is the same phone as the OnePlus Ace 2V. The latter was released in China a few months ago. So the rendering has been published by German Winfair. It has a 6.74-inch AMOLED screen with a 1.5K resolution of 120Hz refresh rate. It comes with MediaTek Dimensity 9000 chipset with a model of 8 120GB for base model, going up to 16GB and 256 for the top end model. It comes with the main 50 megapixel camera on the back, 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, and a 2 megapixel depth camera. And it has a 16 megapixel front facing camera. It comes with 5000 mAh battery with 80 watts charger in the box. It comes pre-installed with Android 13 with Color OS or Oxygen OS 13.1 on top of it. The availability is not known because of this ban of Germany. Whether it will be expanded to more European countries is not known. Hopefully they can price it very well, because if they price it very well, it will be a big competition, maybe a flagship killer. It might be the best flagship killer of the year.